workshop with Juniper in a 1 gallon can. Totally killed it. In reality, as you can see, the major flow to this tree is to the back. Was to the back. No, I've tried to alter that by putting the wire here. It'll probably bend a little more today by bringing this to the front. And that's things you'll have to do when you buy and say, you've got to go, that's half the fun. You buy a Juniper, 1 gallon can, and I'll kill it. You come to my workshop with a Juniper in a 1 gallon can. Totally kill it. Where's one of our new members that knows, your new members that knows about that? He come packing 6 or 8 little $6, $8 plants like this. And he says, do you think these will be good for bonsai? I'm going to make fun of him. And I looked at him and I said, not until you're past as old as I am. I said, why are you spending this much money for a baby? Something that has juvenile roots, it's going to die anyway. And Dad will tell you about that. Started, how many pine trees did you start? Now you got 30 left?
About 10,000.
Because there's attrition. Some of them are weak, whatever. They look nice in those 4-inch pots and those gallon cans the first 5 years, but they get a trunk like this. They don't know where they're going to go. Let somebody else take that in. Buy something that's got a nice trunk, that's been worked on a little bit. Next year, he's going to have something in the pot that will look like it belongs in a show. And he can show his friend, I have a bonsai. And yes, he does. He doesn't have a stick that has struggled in half of it died. So don't bring a gallon can in my class. And I was really grabbing with a gal in our class one day. She came in packing stuff in 4-inch pots. And I said, when you signed up for that art class in college, and they told you to bring a number 2 pencil and a sketch pad, did you show up with a roll of toilet paper? It's cheaper. There's a lot more on it. You can do a lot more drawing. And then don't do that in my class. And it's a shocker, but it's the truth. When you showed up with that sketch pad and that pencil, you did not expect to get the value. You didn't expect to sell your first picture and get $2.95 to pay for that sketch pad. That's all in learning. So when you come to a bonsai class, bring something you can work with, and if you don't like it, I bet you money there's a club sale, and it'll come back to bite you. I know about that. Just last week, the American show in Sacramento, this guy comes over and he grabs my daughter and says, come look at this. Isn't it pretty? It's a root over rock elm that she sold 6 years ago down there at the club. And he had brought it out of all of its faults that she didn't have time for. He says, don't you wish you had it? And she said, I wish I had it now, but I don't want to spend the time that you took to get it there. You know, but it was really nice, and it came back to bite her. It was really, really a nice thing, and you wonder, why in the world did they sell that? Went over to Santa Rosa and judged a show, and I told them that after it was judged, they don't let you know who it is ahead of time. I said, can you tell me after it's done who that tree belongs to? Oh yeah, they told me. They said, in fact, I see the guy walking down the aisle out there. He's going to go look and see. He said, would you like to meet? I looked out there and I said, no. She said, well, why not? And I said, well, I know that fellow. I'll go talk to him. He sure did a wonderful job with that Japanese maple. I don't know where he found something so nice. And I said, Alan, how did you get such a nice tree? He said, you sold it to me.